This is a continuation of my yesterday. This is vlog number 2. I don't know, yesterday was really hectic. I had to wait at the airport for 5 hours before boarding a flight to Geneva here. So I was so tired yesterday. This morning I'm going to get ready, then go down for breakfast. Then later on I'll go visit the town. I'm carrying you guys along the whole of this my trip. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm going downstairs now to have my breakfast. So, so today, I don't even know what I'm going to take. Yeah, I have 3. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's fine. I'll take this one. I have 1. So, here's that to you guys. Thank you. Thank you. I have to take more, so I'll have to come back again. I'll try it. You know? I don't know what this is, so let me just try it. So this is my breakfast this morning. Hot chocolate, toast, yogurt. All this is going down. So let's finish eating. This is the restaurant. This morning came back to my room, check my email, my YouTube channel, check on the kids. They are okay, they've gone to school. And so what I'm going to do is just to go shower, change and get ready off to the city. That's the reason I'm here, to explore Geneva. So I'm ready to go out now. Just get some perfume on, off I go. So I'm out of the hotel. I'm going to get the bus to United Nations, so that's where I'm going to go first. So around United Nations area. I don't know if you can see anything yet. So can you see me well?
Huh? Close.
Can you see me properly? Can you see me? Can you see me? Yeah?
Okay.
I'm looking for a way to get to the city center, but no one is able to direct me because most of them don't speak English and I don't know how to speak French or anything. So I'm just gonna find my way. So this is like the tram station. See how the buildings are. Take a look at that mountain. Perfect. Wow. And just see behind me, train station. Massive. I'm still walking towards the city center. I don't know if I'll be able to make it there, but I'll see how I walk. If I'm tired, I just have to go there. But it says about 45 minutes. And I've been trying to ask people how to get there. Nobody's able to tell me the cost to enter or anything like that. So they're kind of frustrating, but I just have to keep on going. Forget about the noise because tram just passing by and stuff like that. So yeah, so just take a look at that view again. Imagine, beautiful. Walk to this side of, I managed to get around here. So it's like the garden stroke lake. I'm going to be showing you guys the lake. I don't even know how to go, but I'll just follow the steps. I'm going to show you guys the lake. And I don't think I'll be able to go to the city center because I'm unable to get proper direction. So after the lake, I'll just head home. And probably tomorrow, I hope I'll be able to take you guys to, the city. So you can see how the city looks like. So this is the park, natural park. I'm in the lake area and I'm just going to show you this beautiful view. Just take a look. So that is the view. Amazing view, isn't it? I'm seriously done for today. Just before I end this vlog, I couldn't make it to the city center here in Geneva because I couldn't get proper direction. And yeah, that's all for today. And I'll see you in my next vlog, which is going to be the final vlog here in... No, not the final vlog because I have to vlog tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you in my next one. At this point, I'll say ciao.